naman kami last season, medyo okay naman, maganda naman yung tinakbo. We're in one final appearance and quarterfinals. So we just want, of course, we just want to go all the way and we want to win championship. So hopefully the experience of Glenn, the talent of Glenn will help us to experience again or go to the finals again and win all the way. So every year naman, every conference yun naman talaga yung goal namin. That's why we're trying to improve on every spot of our team. Addition of Jerome on that point guard position, sa guard position, and then si Xavier dun sa forward. So yan, sana mas gumanda pa yung takbo.
Ano doon ako si Glenn? Short na kayo?
May mga, of course, may mga agents kami na nagpapadala ng mga imports sa amin. And then, there's an opportunity na may, yun nga, pinadala sa amin si Glenn. Yun, tinignan namin and then I-scout ko siya, nagtalong-talong ako sa mga, nagbasa-basa kami sa mga, niya, pinanood namin yung mga games niya. At the same time, yung sa agents nga, nagpatanong ako sa kanya yung ugali, anong klaseng player, and puro positive eh. And nung nakausap ko siya, konting interview, so yun, medyo na-convince talaga ako na siya yung para sa amin because of the way he talks, very humble. Even he plays for 8-9 seasons in the NBA, is very humble, is very coachable. And yun yung isa sa hinahangaan ko sa kanya. Hindi siya yung import na because he play in the NBA, medyo proud. So makikita nyo naman talaga yan, kahit interviewin nyo, medyo talagang sobrang down to earth. So yan, isa yun. And then yung pagiging jolly niya, tsaka yung yung nara-rub off niya sa mga teammates niya, very positive. Bukod talaga doon sa talent niya, yung character niya, yun yung malaking bagay para sa akin.
Magaling mag-tap.
Yes, oo. May una nga silang pinost, I don't know kung nakita nyo na rin yun. Yung kanyang 360 na dunk. Of course, he's although this is the first time of Glenn to play outside the US. It's the first time na mag-import siya. Yun lang yung adjustment niya because he always play in the NBA, sa G League. So almost parang sa team talaga. In terms of team chemistry, tsaka yung kanyang pagiging team player, walang question doon. So we just want him to adjust doon sa pagiging import talaga.